Welcome to MTH Health. In today's video, we'll explore the Hollywood Brazilian wax, a professional hair removal technique that leaves the skin completely smooth. This tutorial will cover everything you need to know, including preparation, the process, and essential aftercare tips. Stay tuned. Before we begin, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a professional for the best results. A Hollywood Brazilian wax removes all hair from the intimate area, leaving the skin completely hair-free. Unlike a traditional Brazilian wax which may leave a small strip, this method ensures total removal for a smooth and clean look. Why do people choose it? Long-lasting results up to 4 weeks. No razor bumps or cuts. Hair grows back softer over time. Many find it more hygienic and comfortable. Proper preparation is key to a smooth and pain-free waxing experience. Follow these simple steps. Exfoliate 24 hours before waxing to remove dead skin. Trim hair to about 1/4 inch for better grip. Avoid lotions, creams, or oils on the waxing day. Consider taking a mild pain reliever 30 minutes before if you have sensitive skin. Now, let's break down the waxing process step by step. Whether you're at a salon or doing it yourself, the technique remains the same. First, apply pre-wax oil to protect the skin. Then use high-quality hard wax for the best grip. Next, apply the wax in small sections following hair growth. Let it cool, then remove it with a quick pull against hair growth. Finally, soothe the skin with an aloe-based gel or cooling lotion. Pro tip: if you're waxing at home, work in small sections for better control. After waxing, your skin needs extra care to stay smooth and irritation-free. Here's what you should do. Apply a soothing cream like aloe vera or a fragrance-free moisturizer. Wear loose clothing to prevent friction. Avoid hot showers, saunas, and workouts for 24 hours. Gently exfoliate after 3 days to prevent ingrown hairs. And what not to do? Don't touch or scratch the area. Avoid using scented products. No sun exposure for at least 48 hours. Myth: waxing makes hair grow back thicker. Fact: over time hair grows back finer and softer. Myth: waxing fact: anyone can benefit from smooth hair-free skin. Myth: waxing is unbearable. It may be uncomfortable at first, but regular waxing reduces pain over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert skincare and beauty tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.